See?
I'm recording.
We're gonna try to do some smoked meatloaf. All right, I got 2 pounds of ground beef, a pound of pork, 2 eggs, some barbecue sauce, whatever kind of barbecue seasoning you want. I am using some Cowboy Original. I have a green pepper and a quarter onion diced up. And some breadcrumbs. Go ask Mama to send me a thermometer to go to my grill, please. What are you filming over there?
Nothing.
Car, dump me some breadcrumbs in here. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. You can see I don't actually use measurements. I just go by whatever I feel like it needs to be in here, so you can do the same. All right. Now, all right. There's our loaf. Let's put it on the smoker. I have my smoker set at 250. We're gonna put it in there, and we're not gonna open it again until it hits about 130, 140, then we'll start putting barbecue sauce on. All right, just gonna go on the smoker. Like I said, we're gonna leave it there until it hits about 130, 140, probably about 130, and then we'll start putting barbecue sauce over the top of it, okay? See you then. All right, it's at 130. We're gonna start barbecuing. So take a look. What it looks like so far. We still got some, we won't pull it till it hits about 160. I want a nice barbecue coat on it, so we're gonna start barbecuing it. All right, so I'm gonna do that. Keep barbecuing it till it hits about 160. Then we'll be pulling it up. So I'll see you then. All right, so we're at about 170. I want to let it cook just a little bit longer. Okay. So there it is, smoked barbecue meatloaf. So let's check it out. You ready? So let's see. Got a nice smoke ring. Everything looks good. Let's try it out. You ready? Come on, up here. It is good. It's hot right now still, but it is good. I gotta try this, okay? Y'all have a good night.